Hey everybody, it's Terry Belt with the Belt team. I'm here with John Francis. We're out and about town again, talking to some more business owners. And John is the owner of NV Roofing, one of the top roofing companies in the DC region, especially Northern Virginia. And John and I go back all the way to high school. He's helped out ourselves personally, my family, and lots of our clients and friends and family. And just wanted to give an opportunity to add a little value to some of our past clients. I have been in the business a long time, and I've got people that got new roofs 20, 25 years ago. And sometimes I get calls as to, hey, what should we do? When's the time to replace a roof? So do you have any advice on what to look for, what's the right thing to do for someone that might have a roof of that age?
Sure, great question. So you replace the roof for two reasons. One, because it doesn't look good. You've got algae rolling down, the black algae coming down, and you see it on your shingles, or you're getting leaks, right? The roof has gone past its lifespan. 25 years ago, roofs were designed to be 20 years old, right? To go 20, 22 years. Nowadays, they're designed to go 25 to 30. So if you're getting any seepage or leaking, you should have someone assess it. Go up there, take a look at it, see if the shingles are destroyed or dry rotted enough where it justifies replacing it, or if you need a repair. Obviously, if you have algae coming down, things like that, some people want to replace them because just of the looks, but you don't have to do that.
So bottom line, 20, 25-year-old roof, it's good to have someone come out and do an evaluation. So that brings up another question.
Correct.
We're in thunderstorm season, we're in hurricane season, and sometimes I know this happened, you helped our family out. You can think that there's nothing wrong with your roof after a hailstorm or a windstorm, but maybe there is. So can you weigh in on that?
Yeah, as you know, on your house, we had a hailstorm back in 2010. It was hail, about golf ball, maybe a little bit smaller than golf ball. And people from the ground can't see that there's damage to the shingles. And so, of course, we got up, took a peek at your roof, and found that there was damage. Insurance company came out, and they paid you to replace your roof.
So the damage is from underneath, so you can't see it, but it could still be leaking or causing a future problem.
Yeah, and it probably won't leak unless you get softball size hail like they do in Texas. It's probably not going to leak right away. It's that soft, smaller hits that will destroy the shingle on the outside. Eventually will lead to a leak 3 to 5 years later.
Gotcha.
That's why you want to do a claim. If there is damage, a claim as soon as possible.
Gotcha. Makes sense. John, thank you so much. Thanks for the tips. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
So if anyone's got any questions about old roofs, or for that matter, new roofs, reach out to me and I'll get you in touch with John and NV Roofing, and we'll take care of you. Have a great day.
Appreciate it.